here we've got a slightly naked DB7. Shocking behaviour. Right, it was having a bit of a stuttering idle. It was going up and down. This is an early car. This is a pre-airbag DB7, which means it doesn't run an Aston Martin ECU. It actually runs a Zytec ECU, which is a very rare piece of technology that was used on the XJ220, the XJR15, and a whole bunch of other Jags of that era. There's a big connection between the Jags and the DB7, obviously. Now, it was hunting, so it wasn't idling very well, and of course we can't plug AMDS into a system like that, so we have to do things the old-fashioned way. So we did a smoke test and found that we had smoke bellowing out on the join between here is the inlet manifold and the top of the charge cooler there. So you might not be able to see it, but one of these seals is flat as a pancake, so both of those need changing, and pop it all back together with a new gasket along there and we'll be laughing.